Taglish show, guys. Side of the universe. So guys, for today's video, I will do our lunch for today. So today is a cooking show brought to you by yours truly InDaynaMo. So today I will cook the low-calorie Italian pork steaks with onion and raisins, of course, by Dinnerly. So disclaimer, this is not a sponsor. So what are we waiting for? Happy cooking! Bulaga! So guys, ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga ingredients natin for today. So here, today, ayan ang ating gagawin. Dinnerly local Italian pork steaks with onion and raisin. It's a 25 minutes, 2 servings for Jax and I. So what they sent to us, guys, we have a red onion. This one is the pork loin steaks. Ayan. And we have the 20 gram of raisins, guys. Ayan, raisin na nagalaw sa loob ng pakete. So the other one is the wholemeal roll. So ayan, Baker's Mason. Ayan, healthy gourmet. Wow, sana all healthy. Dalawa yan, guys, kasi one each kay Jax, one each sa akin. And the last one, guys, is the rocket leaves. Rocket leaves na malungkot. Ayan, rocket leaves na malungkot. So the other one, what we need, the other condiments is the garlic cloves. But we don't have a garlic cloves. We only have garlic paste. Ayan, garlic paste na madami. And then the olive oil, of course, ayan, extra virgin olive oil, rich and complex. And then the chili flakes, optional, guys. The red wine vinegar, we have red wine here from Coast, and we have a pure honey. Ayan, they said 100% OC Australian pure honey, guys. So the next is the mustard. So we have the mustard. Where's our mustard bags? So here, guys, we have the mustard. Ayan. Mustard. Kayo nang bahala mag-pronounce dyan by Master Food. So we need the tools for medium fry pan and the oven tray, but I will use the air fryer for today. And then we have a iodized table salt, pampatalino, and the black pepper here. So guys, are you ready? What are we waiting for now? Let's get started. Okay, guys. So now we have a 5 steps here to do. The first step, guys, we need to brown the pork. Ayan. And the second steps, we have to cook the onion sauce, finishing cooking pork. And fourth is warm the roast, which is the wholemeal roast. And last but not the least, of course, serve up. So guys, ayan, let's get started this. So now we need to do the garlic paste. I don't have any garlic cloves here. So garlic paste, season the pork with salt and pepper. Pepper, guys. So, ayan. Itatabi ko kayo muna dyan. Okay. So, let me fix this first. Okay, guys. So, now we need to take out the pork and then put the salt and of course, we need to cut this one, guys. So, look at the pork, guys. Pork. So, this is their pork. So now we need to cut first kasi pork to, guys. So I always use this one because the pork takes too long to cook, remember? Chicken is fine, it's easy, but this one, the pork is always takes forever. Not forever, you know, ano lang siya, matagal-tagal, mga 45 years. we have the iodized, guys. Ayan, pampatalino. Pampatalino. She use iodine, guys. Diba? Pampatalino siya. Ayan. Just sprinkle there. So here. So we need to fry the pork. So now use this. So we will fry it. So here, olive oil, guys. Ayan. 1 table. So now we will do the onion sauce, guys. Cook the onion. So here, we have chili flakes here, guys. Ayan, chili flakes. Okay. So now we need to put the onion. This is the onion sauce. Raisin is that too. Red vinegar, guys. 1.5. After red vinegar, 1 tablespoon of cheese. So, honey na, guys. Honey. Vinegar. Salt and vinegar, guys. Salt and brown pepper. So, iodized. Pampatalino na naman, guys. So, okay, guys. So, now, we are going to do the... So, here, we are going to put the air fryer here, guys. Air fryer na lang. Madumi yung air fryer talaga. So, ayan. Air fryer na lang natin kasi hindi ko na ma-oven. Ganon. Okay, guys. So, now, we are doing the rocket leaves. Okay, guys, so now we are going to put the 2 tablespoons of olive oil kasi nga mag-dressing na tayo kay rocket leaves. So, ayan. Oil, guys. Using an oil. So, ayan. Vinegar guys, ayan. 2 teaspoon ulit. 2 teaspoon. 2 teaspoon guys. And then, 1/2 mustard. So, we have mustard, 1/2. 1/4 ba? 1/2 pa. Ayan guys, mustard. Mustard guys. And then, salt and vinegar. Okay guys, salt and vinegar. Yan naman. Salt and salt and pepper pala. And pampatalino ulit. Iodize. Ang dami. Hindi yan dapat. And then put the rocket. So, yun yung rocket guys. Rocket. Rocket lang. Okay guys, so we are going to do a plating now. Yeah. Okay guys, so bago yan, mag-ano muna tayo ha. Magka-cut muna ako. Cut muna tayo guys. Medyo mainit pa. Okay guys, so ayan na ang ating low-calorie Italian pork steaks. Ayan. Okay guys, ayan, lunchtime na. Kain na tayo guys. Jax!
Hi. I'm holding a knife.
So, ayun na guys, kain na kami. Titikman na ni Jax ang ating lunch for today, which is the low-calorie Italian pork steaks.
That's correct.
Okay,
And I
Jax.
think after today's one, we should have caught up with Dinnerly, so we won't have to, make extravagant lunches anymore. We can go back to, leftovers and microwave meals. What's the coating?
Salt and pepper. The sauce is different. That's our low-calorie Italian pork steaks for our lunch for today's video. How was it, Jax?
Delicious, but main it.
It's so spicy, guys. The one with the onions, with the
The chili flakes.
Yeah, there's a chili flakes. Remember, I put it earlier, guys. So, guys, that's the end of our cooking show for today. I hope you enjoy watching and you had fun. Thank you very much for watching and thank you for supporting my videos. And mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao!